Hello, everyone. Welcome to Chongbian's kitchen. Don't just fry tomatoes and eggs the usual way and eat them. Today, I'll teach you a new method that's both nutritious and delicious. I poured in 3 eggs and didn't expect it to turn out so good. Follow the video to see how to do it. First, prepare 3 cute tomatoes. Cut a cross on the top of each tomato, like you see in the video. After scoring the tops, place the tomatoes in a large bowl and pour in freshly boiled water. Let them sit in the hot water for about 3 minutes, turning them over with a spoon halfway through. This makes the skins much easier to peel. Once time is up, transfer the tomatoes to a chopping board and peel off the skin. It should come off easily. Cut each tomato in half, then remove the tough core at the base, as it affects the taste. Slice the tomatoes thinly, then cut them into thin strips. After that, dice the strips into small pieces and put them into a bowl. Next, prepare a ham sausage. Slice it into thin strips first, then chop it into small pieces. Place it in a bowl. Now take a peeled carrot, slice it thinly, cut into strips, and then dice into small pieces. Put the chopped carrot in a bowl for later use. Then, prepare a few green onions and chop them into small pieces as well. Set them aside. Prepare an empty bowl and crack in 3 eggs. Stir them well with chopsticks, mixing the yolks and whites until fully combined. Stir thoroughly until you get a smooth, delicate egg mixture. Then pour the egg mixture into the bowl of chopped tomatoes. Mix them well with chopsticks, making sure the eggs and tomatoes are fully combined. Next, add the chopped ham, carrots, and green onions. Pour in 2 tablespoons of dried shrimp to enhance the umami flavor. Season with 1 spoonful of salt and 1 spoonful of pepper, then stir thoroughly again until everything is evenly mixed. After that, add 2 tablespoons of flour to the mixture and stir again until the batter is smooth and without lumps. You should end up with a thick, paste-like consistency. Dear friends, I've shared hundreds of home-cooked food tutorials already, and I still haven't received your like. If you've enjoyed this video, please do. Thank you so much for your support and for sticking with me. Now, take a pan and brush it with cooking oil, but don't turn on the heat yet. Scoop a spoonful of the batter into the pan, leaving a little space between each scoop to prevent them from sticking together. Use a spoon to shape each scoop into a small, round pancake. Then turn on the heat and start frying. You can sprinkle a bit of black sesame on top of each pancake to enhance the aroma. Once the bottom is set and starting to brown, use a spatula to gently shake the pancake to ensure even heating. When one side is done, flip the pancake over and fry the other side until it turns golden brown. Keep flipping back and forth to ensure both sides are evenly fried. Once both sides are golden and crispy, turn off the heat and take them out of the pan. Place the pancakes neatly on a plate and get ready to enjoy them. This simple and nutritious tomato pancake is now ready. Soon as it came out of the pan, my child ate 5 without getting tired of it. It's really delicious, and it's perfect for breakfast too. The best part? The method is simple, beautiful, and tasty. Okay, if you like it, give it a try. See you next time.